chapters covered here in this video. In single video we can learn so many formulas. This is the list of important formulas, quick revision checklist, children. So you need to first you have to start with formulas. If you have to get revision in every chapter, we have to revise first what are the formulas of first chapter, second chapter, like that. Okay, check properties and formulas chapter wise, we will go one by one. Okay, this is the quick revision, children, so you can get the update of every chapter. Okay, we can get quick revision. Okay, now first we can take for chapter 1 real numbers. In this, what we have to recall first, natural numbers. What are natural numbers? From starting from 1 to so on, that are the natural numbers. Starts from 1. Whole numbers means total numbers from 0. Okay, 0 we can take in whole numbers. So starting from 0, with all numbers are said to be the whole numbers. Okay, now rational numbers. What are rational numbers? A by B form. Any number which is in the form of A by B, then we call it as rational numbers. Okay, these are important formulas which is used in real numbers. Now coming to chapter 2, what are polynomials? In polynomials, what are the important formulas? Now we will see. A plus B whole square. What is the formula, children? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. A minus B whole square. In this, only one difference is minus symbol for 2AB, and here all plus symbols, only minus for minus B square. A minus B whole square formula, minus 2AB is there. And x plus A into x plus B means x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. These formulas are very important. Every chapter I have important formulas here. So see, children, A square minus B square. What is the A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. Okay. Now A cube minus B cube. A cube plus B cube here. First we have to see A plus B whole square. A cube plus B cube means here A plus B. See the difference of formulas so that you can understand easily. A plus B here and A cube minus B cube, A minus B here. And inside of these brackets, A square plus B, AB plus B square. For minus, we have all positive here. But in place, we have minus AB, opposite. Okay. Plus, we have AB minus, but minus formula we have all positive. Here minus minus, and plus here it is plus. Okay, now another formula, that is A plus B whole cube. So A cube plus B cube and 3A square B plus 3A B square. A minus B whole cube, A cube minus B cube, minus means minus B cube. In this, all positive for plus, and minus B whole cube means we get only 1 minus for 3A square B. First term we get the minus, and either minus here for B cube, and alternate here positive minus, positive negative, again positive and negative. We can recognize this easily. Okay, here all positive for positive formula. Here we have to remember how alternate. Plus A cube minus 3A square B plus A square AB square minus B cube. Okay, like this we have to take a simple remembering of formulas, how to take a trick. Okay, simple trick we have to remember. If A and B are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then alpha plus beta is equal to what? The formula, this is the value of alpha plus beta minus b by a, and alpha beta means c by a. Okay, in MCQs also we will ask like this question, what is the alpha plus beta and what is the product of alpha beta? If alpha beta gamma 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial, okay, then ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is the equation of the polynomial. Then what is the values? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, and this form we get c by a, and this is minus d by a. We get three formulas for this cubic polynomial. Okay, minus d by a is product of 3 polynomials. Okay, now next chapter is what? Linear equations in two variables. Okay, in two variables means ax plus b. Equation in one variable is ax. Here the x is the variable and a is not equal 0 and b is also not equal. A and b are real numbers. Linear equation in two variables, that is x and y are two variables and a, b, c are constants. A is not equal 0, b is not equal to 0 and a comma b and c are real. So linear equation in three variables means ax plus by plus cz equals 0, where a, b, c, d are real. Then what we have? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the formulas of linear equations, where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are real. Then a1, a2, a12 plus b12 is not equal 0. We get the equations which are not equal to 0. So this is the linear equations with three variables. Okay, now ax plus by plus cz are three variables formula, and this is two variable and this is one variable. Okay, now next chapter, that is quadratic equation. In this, from example, some important formulas are here: x equal to alpha comma beta, then minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a is the, we are using this for finding the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, this is provided as a b square minus 4ac is the characteristic equation. Okay, now it is the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has what? How many types of roots? Two distinct real roots, two equal roots, here two equal roots and no real roots. Then two distinct real roots, when it is said to be two distinct real roots, children, if this b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If we get the characteristic b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 when substituting the values, then we get equal roots. Okay, equal to 0 means we get equal roots, two equal roots. Okay, here two distinct means different real roots. Different means when greater than 0. Okay, less than 0, no real roots we get. Okay, this is also asked in many questions, many exams. So we have to remember these 3 points, children. So this is also asked in MCQs. So remember this: when b square minus 4ac is greater than or greater 0, what we will say? Two distinct real roots. Equal to 0, two equal roots, and less than 0 we get no real roots. Okay, now chapter 5, arithmetic progression. In this, three important formulas are there, not so much to learn here. Nth term of AP is n term a plus n minus 1 into d, and sum of n terms in AP is Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and sum of all terms AP with the last term, that is n by 2 into a plus 1. Not so much important. In this arithmetic progression, that MCQs will ask so many questions, okay, from this chapter. Okay, chapter 6, triangles are there. We have area of a triangle, area of isosceles, area of right angle and equilateral triangle. What are the area of these types of triangles? Are half BH is the area of triangle. Okay, and 1 by 4b into under root 4a square minus b square is the isosceles triangle, this one. And half BH means right triangle, and this one is same, half into base into height. B means base, H means, B means base, H means height. Okay, then half into B into H is the right triangle area. Equilateral triangle means A equal to root 3 by 4 side square. Okay. Now coordinate geometry. Distance formula to find the distance between the 2 points. If 2 points are given, we have to take x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then distance between the 2 points PQ. This can be given as PQ. Means the distance between P and Q. From point P and Q we have to measure the distance PQ. Okay, this distance can be as x1 y1 and x2 y2. The points are x1 y1 and x2 y2. This can be written as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Okay, distance of a point from the origin means from the origin we have to find the distance. Okay, P. So then what we get? X square plus y square. Because it is 0 0, then we have x comma y here. Then x minus 0 whole square plus this one is x1 and this one is x2 and this one is y1 and this one is y2. Then what you will get? Substitute these values in this one when origin is given. Okay, then x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 0 minus x whole square plus 0 minus y whole square we get. That is minus into minus plus x square and this one also y square. So this is the x square plus y square. Like this we get the value whenever point is given and origin is 0 comma 0 is given. We get x square plus y square. We have to directly substitute the value. The coordinates of the point P x comma y which divides the line segment joining the points A and B, like this. A and B divides the point P x comma y. It divides the A and B at a midpoint of line segment joining the points A and B. So A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2. Internally in the ratio m is to m2. Then value m is to m2 is given as mx1 m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 m2 plus m2. So this is the formula for m1 is to m2. So we have to take the, like this we have to take the line so that you can understand the midpoint, where is midpoint and the what values we have to substitute. What m1 m2 we have to opposite terms we have to multiply. m1 x2 and m2 x1, m1 y2 and m2 y1. Here bases, that is denominators, are same. Midpoint of the line joining means P. This is P and Q is this one. If P and Q are taken, this is the midpoint M. Then the value of M is given as x1 plus x2 by 2. This one is x1 y1 x2 y2. Then what you will get? X comma y values x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, like this. The midpoint of the line joining points 2 given. Then what you will write? Midpoint means m is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. This m is equal to this one y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, like this we have to understand the line segment. Okay, now next video, in this video I am covering chapter 8 chapters. I am covering children, so that you can understand easily. Next video I will upload next remaining chapters. Okay, so here chapter 8 is introduction to trigonometry. It is very important, children, trigonometry chapter. So based on this we have so many formulas in this chapter to remember. Okay, easy method to remember is by figure we have to remember, otherwise we can't remember easily. This is the perpendicular distance and this is the base of the triangle, right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees. No, this one long distance is hypotenuse. Okay, long distance is hypotenuse. We write here h and it is perpendicular distance p. Like this we have a perpendicular distance and base is b. So first one is sin A is equal to means perpendicular distance by hypotenuse. Okay, cos A means base by hypotenuse. Tan A means sine by cos. Sin A by cos A. Tan. Sine means what? Perpendicular. Cos means perpendicular by hypo. Cos means base by hypo. Hypo cancel. We get perpendicular by base. P by B. So like this we have to understand. Tan means sine by A. Cot means cos by A. So substituting cos by A values. Cos means base by hypo. By sine means perpendicular by hypo. Then hypo cancel. We get base by perpendicular. Okay. Cosec means 1 by sine we get. This is 1 by sine. So 1 by means reciprocal of sine, that is perpendicular by hypo. 1 by means hypotenuse by perpendicular. Now sec means what, children? Hypotenuse. 1 by cos. It means 1 by cos A we have to do. Means cos A value we have to take 1 by. Okay, 1 by cos means it goes to denominator and it comes to numerator. Means hypotenuse by base. Okay, hypotenuse by base. Here I have written this in short. We have to remember like this. Tan A means sin A by cos A. If you not remember directly like these formulas, we have to do sin A by cos A. We get the same value. Cot A means cos A by sin A. Cosec means 1 by sin A. We have to get the cosec. Okay. Sec means 1 by cos. Okay, like this we have to remember the trigonometric chapter. Very important mark scoring chapter. In this we have to remember so many types of formulas. And this is the trigonometric table. Trigonometry table. So much important table, so that you can, I will show you one small trick so that you can easily remember this table form values. Okay, see here children, sin A, first line we have to remember this. Okay, after that you don't worry how to remember this. I am going to tell you here. Sin A here 0 degrees 0 and 30 degrees 1 by 2. And here 45 1 by root 2. Increase the 2 by root 2. And again 1 by root 2 we get increased by root 3 by 2. And again we get the value. Finally we get 1. Okay children. Here we started from 0 to 1. We have increased 1 by 1 step. That is 0 to 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 and root 3 by 2. This sin A values we have to remember perfectly. Okay, sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, 45 means 1 by root 2, next 60 means root 3 by 2, finally 90, sin 90 means 1, that is pi by 2. Pi means how much? 180, and pi by 2 means 180 by 2. 2 ones are 2 nines are 90. Okay, pi by 2. Okay, means this one is pi by how much? 180 by 3. 3 6 are 18. That is pi by 3 is 60. Okay, like this we get the values in pi. Okay, don't worry, that one is not important. Now see here, sin A means 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is okay. Now cos A, how to remember the second line, that is cos A. If you remember this sin and cos, you will automatically get the values of these 4 lines. Tan, cosec, sec and cot. See here children, very easy trick. So we have written 0, 1 by 2, increase it by 1 by root 2 and root 3 by 2, and finally 90 means 1. Okay, now cos A, that is we have to write reverse order. See here, reverse order. 1 comes to 0 degrees, it becomes 90 degrees. 1 comes to here, first place. Last place value comes to first place. Like this, second place value comes to second place of begins from here. And here third place value, third place same. And this one comes to here, last but one second place. And 0 here. Okay, reverse order we have to write this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. Okay, easy, no children? First I have written 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, and root 3 by 2, and finally we have 1. In cos, this is sine A, cos what? 1 and 1 root 3 by 2, here 1 by root 2, here 1 by 2, and 0. Now see here children, we obtain the values now. Sine, if you remember sine values, we automatically write cos value, reverse of sine. Reverse of sine values or cos values. Now see here, sine values are there, cos values are there. Then you can write tan values easily, sine by cos. See here, sine by cos means what? 0 by 1, that is 0. We get the tan value. If you write this perfectly, then you can write this all. Tan A means sine by cos, 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 means 2 get cancelled, we get remaining 1 by root 3. Okay, now 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, sine by cos, no? So if you are not understanding this video, please repeat it again and again and watch complete video so that you can understand easily this formulas table. Okay, sine by cos means we have to write 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. This root 2 get cancelled, we get 1. Okay, now here also root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Then 2 cancel, root 3 by 1 remaining. Then we get root 3. Now 1 by 0, it is not defined. Now cosec. Cosec means what? 1 by sine A. We have to do reciprocal of sine A. 1 by sine means reciprocal. Okay, now see 0. 1 by 0 means not defined. And 1 by 1 by 2 means 2. 1 by root 2. We get root 2. Okay. 1 by root 3 by 2 means 2 comes to numerator, root 3 comes to denominator, that is root 3. 2 by root 3. And 1 by 1 means 1 only. Okay, this is also. If you remember this one, we get the reverse of sine A, we get cos A. And then we can easily write all this. Okay. So practice this table children by my trick, so then you can easily remember the values. Sec means 1 by cos A. That is, see here 1 by 1, 1. 1 by root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2, root 2. 1 by 1 by 2, 2. 1 by 0, not defined. Cot A means cos by sine. That is also easy. Cos means this one. 1 by 0, not defined. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Then 2 cancel, root 3. Okay, 1 by 2 by 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel, we get 1. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel and 1 by root 3. And this one is 0 by 1, we get 0. Okay, cos by sine, I am trying to tell you, I am explaining you everything. I explained you very easily method. This one is somewhat you have to remember. Okay, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. If you remember perfectly, you can easily write the cos values. If you get the sine by cos values, you can get the tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A easily. Very easily you can draw the table completely. Okay, practice this one. And these are some values: sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Opposite, cot 90, tan, sec, cosec, cosec, sec, tan, cot. Okay, like this we have to remember all formulas of trigonometry chapter, and some other formulas, also important formulas, I will upload in next video, children, 10th class. Okay, so start with these examples, basic important examples for every chapter. I have explained you very easily in it, and written examples, all very important formulas only here in this video. So go through this video whenever you start your revision. Okay, children, I will upload next video for. Thank you for watching, children. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and watch my next video. I will upload next formulas of next chapters. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.